Hello, this is Jeff Miller, Miller Sales. Today I'm just quickly showing off the Reap app that I'm using with our GT460 display. This is on a Kinze 850 grain cart with the scale, and just showing the convenience it gives you. It's mirroring the weight of the 460, so you can also couple it with like a GT400. But as you see here, you can select the truck that it goes to, and you can also see that we're filling what we call the North 2 bin, and it shows that we currently have 31.3 used up in it out of the 12,000 bushel storage. So you can program your different bins in here. Here's some of ours with your capacities, so you can know where you're at while you're filling. And you can also do the farm and feel just like your normal displays would have, and you tell it what commodity it is and the moisture. Keep a little better track of that. You can set the moisture for corn, and then you can override it for whatever percentage it actually is. So here's a quick view of it. Then you can also log in online. This iPad is cell enabled, so at the end of the day, if you want to go look, log into Reap, and you can see your total bushels and total storage, what you've filled and where everything's gone. Very nice. We found it very useful this harvest. Again, this is Jeff Miller, Miller Sales, 402-989-5355. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.